Now that we've learnt a bit more about Arloesi Gwynedd Wledig and the Ffiws project, we're going to talk about how the project contributes to the globally responsible Wales goal within the government's Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. Rhys, would you like to tell us a bit more?
Yeah, so when the Ffiws project started a couple of years ago, we did notice that a lot of people came to Ffiws not only to sort of create new things with the equipment that we've got, but people came in to repair stuff that they've obviously broken. So we've had a business come in to fix a part of a camera. We had someone come in to fix a part of a sewing machine that was broken. So this was something that we found quite interesting and that we were interested in putting more of an emphasis on the repair side of things. And now with the circular economy project, we'll be developing 10 new Ffiws spaces in partnership with the Gwynedd Council across Gwynedd. So there'll be new Ffiws spaces, but they won't just be maker spaces. We'll be trialling the idea of repair cafes as well. And the repair cafe basically is an event that happens normally maybe once or twice a month, where volunteers come together to share their skills and knowledge to try and help other people to fix their items. So for example, you could have someone come in with maybe a mobile phone or a bicycle that's broken, and someone might have the skills available to help them fix them. Or maybe someone has a piece of clothing that's broken that needs to be stitched back together. So the whole idea is that we change the mindset of people to make people realise that sometimes it's easier. Sometimes it's easy for people to throw things away instead of trying to fix them. So that's what we're trying to do really. We're just trying to emphasize the importance really of repairing things, and so that's hopefully what we'll be able to achieve with the Repair Cafe project.